Remove the magnetized frame cover to reveal the heater underneath. The heater is held in place with Phillips head screws, one plastic washer, and one metal washer. Disconnect the heater by removing the screws. Carefully peel it back from the wall to find the wiring connections behind it. Disconnect wire closest to the wall to avoid double fusing. White wire from wall to white wire on heater. Red wire from wall to red wire on heater. Connect the replacement heater to the same wiring connection. Please note, the outer half-inch margin around the outer edge of the heater is a dead zone, and you drill new screw holes through this outer edge to accommodate mounting a new heater to the wall of the sauna. Activate your sauna to test functionality to be certain all was properly connected and operational.